Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Dancehall Skilla.
Who's ever make that video they couldn't make that one slide, my people? I mean, who's ever made that video could have just not bother make the video and just leave that alone, you see me? See then now, this video I get a buzz on social media. Yes, this video has been talked about on social media. That's why I presented the video to you. See? Yeah, you can't say me this as bad, but that's how you go. You see me I say my people. But on a real, sometimes this is certain things happen to some persons out there still not very subscribers. Sometimes I have them have it, you know. Sometimes you have some people go out there with real money and enough money to buy something original and end up get tricked. Come back home with a knockoff and them might not know or realize until them wear it go somewhere and then the shoes or the clothes fail them out there. See me? Maybe, you know, I don't know this person's situation. You see me I say? Yeah, but on a real load, you know, it's hard. See? Anyways, my people, big up and respect. Dancehall Skilla day here again, you see? So we have more things to talk to you about, you know? Yeah, social media now go mad me, you know. So I have some more things to talk to about viewers and subscribers. So I say, but I'm going to present a video to you and then explain certain things, alright? Alright, so I want to take a look at this video, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Observe.
Shabba, pick up yourself, youth. Don't get it wrong. Young youth time. Yeah, you do your time already, my brother. Young youth time, First Nation. Watch this. Jamaica give you orders this section. Jamaica did it. That country, Shabba? What do you mean, that country? Shit, Shabba? Shabba, correct it. No. First Nation.
So I read an article that gave me the understanding that Shabba Ranks road manager referred to Shabba Ranks' country of birth as that country and also said some inappropriate things about a upcoming Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Jashii. And I also got the understanding that Bounty Killer defended Jashii through a post that he made on social media. Here's the post that you're looking at right now. See? Anyways, according to some post that I saw on social media, I got the understanding that a lot of persons on social media took offense to some things that Shabba Ranks road manager said. See? And I just presented to you a video that shows a person. In the video, the person responded to that country reference and an inappropriate word. You see what I say, my people? So, just a little know about that situation right there, my people. You see it? Yeah, I have more videos I'm going to present to you. You can tell me what you think about the video that I just presented to you. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, in this video, a man said some things that gave me the understanding that he talked about the Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Jashii and some things that he said during an interview with Anthony Miller. My people, I want you to tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that the man said in this video, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Anyways, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I watched an interview with dancehall artist Jashii. And I can't help but frown upon the prejudice that exists in Jamaica. Jashii is evidently a hardcore ghetto youth. He lives what he knows. He is a product of where he's from. So he is true to himself.
Truth.
and you have him in an interview, had he gone to UTech or UE and graduated with honors, no media person would have gone to Grand Spence to interview him, to publish his life story, to motivate other young men who want to be like him. No. But because you all, media personnel, are logging on to the music, which is also an easy way to have bread for you too, not just the artists. You know, interview these kids and think you can intimidate them. Now the young man turned the interview around. Now him a interview the interviewer. You understand? And because of his presentation and his appearance and the demographics that he represents, he's now a bad person. Had Bounty Killer or Ninja Man or Junior Gang or Capeton or Sizzler done the same interview, it would have gone viral. But because it's a kid, early 20s, it's the age discrimination. You know me nothing now because I want a little youth to say it. You understand? But everything that Jashii said in that interview needed to be said. Respect Jashii, big up yourself. A lot of you guys who have made it in this industry become millionaires. You want to tell younger kids how to do it, but you're not giving them a helping hand. If you're not help, shut them out, man. If you're not doing nothing for you, then not criticize them either. Allow them, make them do what they do. Let them do it how they know too. Because you did not teach them anything. So therefore you have no input into what they're doing.
Wow.
Jashii tell us that he's drinking on the interview because he's celebrating.
You see it?
The only way to a media interview for a ghetto youth is music or sports. Even if them go college and become the greatest attorney QC, you're not going to see them. So let the youth them celebrate. And the elders who are not supporting the youths, allow them to, man. No have nothing to say, man. No input. No have no input because you were not there when they were trying to break. You were not there to offer them a helping hand. So allow them.
Well, I agree with a lot of things that the man said in that video, and viewers and subscribers. You see? Yeah, I agree with a lot of things that he said. I cannot say everything because I don't remember every single thing that the man said in the video, even though I watched the video. You see me? Yeah. But according to some things that Jashii said during the interview with Anthony Miller, I got the understanding that he gave an understanding that veteran musicians like Shabaranks and others are not giving young musicians the exposure, or they're afraid to give them the exposure. That's the understanding that I got, viewers and subscribers. So I say, so you can tell me if I'm right, and you can also tell me if I'm wrong, but I'm just telling you what I think. Is it? Yeah, and I have more things that I'm going to talk to you about and videos to present to you. So you can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you and the whole situation. You understand? Next topic. Now, my people, I see a video that shows a snack that is known as Cheezes on fire. I also see when the person took another one of those cheeses from out of a pack of cheeses and light that cheeses on fire. So I say, my people, the video shows both of those cheeses on fire and they stayed on fire for some time. So I say, my people, and the video have me thinking, you know. The video have me thinking. It makes me wonder what I've been eating all those years when I go to the supermarket or the shop or the grocery store and buy cheeses and eat them, in viewing subscribers. All kind of things that make me wonder, you know. See it? Yeah, my people, so I just make you know about that video when I see now, people. And it really and truly have me thinking, and I want to say to each and every one out there, be careful of the things that you eat. I am not here to tarnish anyone's brand, but we have to think about health at the same time. You see me? I always hear doctor and health officials say, be careful of the food them where you eat, and too much junk food not too good for you, and too much junk food is not good for you, and all kind of sitting. Well, that video are one of them where really and truly have me thinking when time it comes down to this whole health issue and the junk food and so. You see me? I say some people to tell about that. Yeah. My people, I just have left it, you know. Big up and respect to each and everyone, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. You know, can't say Dancehall Skilla and I bring some sitting tune some of the time. Just so I say, alright, my name is Dancehall Skilla. The big up on yourself, you see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall